Okay, so assignment 2 for TCP network connection. So right here I create a network manager class. So now let's take a look at it. So it has 6 functions and with the socket information, target address, sender address, also the sender address size, which is required for initialize and create socket, initialize and uninitialize our WinSocket API. So we also have a structure for TCP message, type and data, which according to uh, you know uh, there's two type of message. Sets information is used to indicate the length of our integer list, and the item is the row data, the integer itself. So let's take a close look at our network manager. So for initialize and uninitialize, it's all the same from what we have from the class. We initialize WinSocket API and assign the corresponding IP address, also destination port to our create socket and assign to it. So there's not big surprise for it. So for send message, receive message, that's also coming from the WinSocket API. The real business that I want to talk about is send list and receive list. So for the send list function, we will first send the size information. The um, it will send a list of integer to the network connection. It takes a list of integers as a parameter and convert it to TCP message structure, and then so basically we first will be sending the size information to the server, and then the actual data to our server. And while our server will receiving the list, we'll first of all, uh, get we'll keep track of the length of our server, so our server will know the actual length of our list, and then we will the server will receive the real integer uh, from our client. So let me run the server, and then if I go to the client, so if you can see the server is waiting for the connection, we run the client, and it take 30. You can see is their communication back and forth with sorted list being sending, and there is sending back and forth from client and server, and that's it.